In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect Calendly from Google Calendar. Whether you're making changes to your integrations or just want a fresh start, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, head over to the Calendly homepage. This is your main hub for all scheduling and meeting settings. On the left hand side, you'll see the menu. From here, click on Integrations and Apps. Once inside, you'll notice a list of all the apps you've connected. Scroll through until you find Google Calendar. When you see it, go ahead and click on it. This will open a dedicated page showing all the details about your Google Calendar connection. Here, look for the X icon next to Google Calendar. That little button is what disconnects your account. Before you click it, just be sure you really want to proceed, because once disconnected, your Google Calendar will no longer sync with Calendly. Ready? Now click the X. And that's it. No confirmation pop-ups, no extra steps. Your Google Calendar is now successfully disconnected. And don't worry, if you ever change your mind, you can always reconnect Google Calendar later or even try out a different app. This flexibility is what makes managing your schedule in Calendly so simple. I hope you found this quick guide helpful. If you run into any issues, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.